So if you're an HVAC rep and you just give quotes, you're going to stay broke. Because the second you act like a quote guy, the homeowner treats you like a quote guy. And all a quote guy does is he gets shopped. So closers don't even give quotes. Closers diagnose, they prescribe, and they lead. Here's the difference. So a quote guy, they're going to walk in and say, all right, I'm going to look around. I'm going to give you guys some numbers. A closer walks in, sits them down, asks some pre-qualifying questions to find the perfect solution to the homeowner, and eliminates the complete reason to get other quotes. They trust you, they trust the company, and the service. That's all they need. Homeowners, they don't want the cheapest system. They want the safest decision. And if you don't create certainty, they're going to default the price. And that is why most reps lose deals. It's not because they're bad. It's because they sound like everyone else. They're commoditized. So if you guys want my exact first visit framework that helped me close over $50 million in residential HVAC, comment down ebook. I'll send it over to you guys at no cost at all.